Hi everybody, this is Billy here and I'm back again to show you guys how to do basic eyes, maybe for the day or sometimes an evening out just with friends, or some of you who like it really simple. I've already prepped the skin in terms of moisturizing and foundation, which you can see in my previous video, and I'm going to start prepping the eyes with some primer. And you get eye primers with a lot of brands, like there's MAC, there's Inglot, there's Kryolan, there's Urban Decay. My favorites are these. So basically you just take the primer and spread it through your lid and give it about a minute just to be there. So it settles onto the skin. It almost feels like cream, so you have to let it turn slightly matte so that it holds onto your eyeshadow for almost up to 8 hours. So I'm going to start with something really simple and basic. I have the Naked palette with me, which is by Urban Decay. Very simple colors and very soft colors is what we will start with. In my tutorial earlier, I had shown you all what basic brushes. So this is a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to pick up a very simple nude pink kind of a color. Basically you dab on the color and you just basically place it. It's more about placing the color than actually trying to drift it and move it away again. Same thing we would do on the other eye. The color has a slight shine to it, which is just basically to get that slight pop on your eyes so that it looks a little more fresh or it looks a little more bright, however you would like it. Then I take a very simple nude blending color. There's a color known as Texture by MAC, which is one of my favorites. I take it over a blending brush and I just take it onto the crease and I blend it. Just basically blending your main color out so that it doesn't have a specific line where it ends is what you need to look at. You take it in a seesaw motion, just like this, so that it blends everything, and then you can pull it out, or circular motion it, close it, depending how you like your eyes to look, whether you like them elongated or you like them more in a round finish. So after you're done with your eyeshadows, you could either just mascara your look and step out if you do not want a liner, but I would finish this look with a very simple thin liner so that it just finishes and gives a neat look to the entire eyes. So I'm going to take the gel liner. The gel liner is available again in a lot of brands. All of them are really good, so there's nothing that is specifically out there which I would say is the best. So for a liner, you basically start from the middle and just pull it out. And for a basic, you do not need to pull it too long. You can end it just where your lashes end and take the inner corner and join it. So something as thin as this can work for the day. If you want to go thicker, you can. Again, the same technique. You just basically take it first from your half, pull it out, and then join your inner corner to it. I'm going to take a mascara now and just going to mascara her eyes. You will actually see what difference a mascara can make, because it just basically takes away all the droppage of the eyeshadow. It enhances your lashes, and it's a must for me for every look. So if you're doing a mascara on yourself, what I would suggest you to do is put your chin down, open your eyes, and just look through the mirror and just take your mascara. A good way for your mascara not to touch your lids is just keep your fingers here. And very lightly on your bottom lashes. A mascara always helps just to finish the look, to give it that even look finish, and your basic eyes are done. You do not need to do anything more than this. Again, the colors I've used are very simple. You could use any type of colors that you want. If you want to use really matte colors, you want to use some pinks or some nude other tones that are available in the market, this is how you would use your colors. This is how you would finish and blend your colors. I'm going to finish the look with some very simple blush and a lip gloss just to show you on the whole how the look would look. Very slight. You do not need to go very heavy for the day. Also depends on how you like wearing your blush. I am doing a very small basic application. You can also look at my lip and cheek video that would be up. That will also give you an idea of how you could wear your blush in different ways. We're going to just take a little of a lip pencil, slight, just to give it a little color. Now either you could just put some lip balm over this and finish it, or you could just pick up a nice little gloss and complete the look as well. So I'm just going to take a little bit of a tinted lip balm and just like roll it over. So you have a complete basic look, which is absolutely simple. You do not need tons of makeup for this. Very few essential things, and you can achieve this very easily at home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please go ahead, like it and share it with your friends and family. And you can subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, and you can follow me on all the social media platforms mentioned below.